going on, guys? I'm on the bus currently. Freaking dumb. Tired. I'm very tired.
7 a.m. Arrived back approximately 30 here.
That's what it looks like outside. It's raining. It's raining. It's raining, man. Hallelujah. It's raining, man. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. And I don't really know. It's so wet outside. So wet. Shit, I dropped my phone. So wet outside. I'm so nice and warm. I'm tired. Ugh. The bus is shaking very much. There's still some snow outside. Yay. That shit's broken. But that shit's broken. I'm right by the school that I used to go to. Now I'm in middle school. I would show up, but there's someone who's camera shy. Oh my god, like I can't believe that we only get like one snow day and then all the snow has to melt. Sorry guys, I had to pause the camera. Yeah, oh my god, it was just like a second ago that like either a police car or a fire truck or an ambulance just like drove by the bus. It was so scary. Like you don't know what's gonna come. It's oh my god, I didn't notice I have a pimple. Cool. Wow. I'll pop it later. Oh my god, I have a headache. Look outside though. Oh shit, the fireman. Yo. This is just getting better and better. You know what happened? Did someone hydroplane? Yo, we're coming up on the fire station. Hold on, hold on. Fire station's right there. That's where the loud thing's coming from. What's going on? Nothing's happening. They're not quick enough. I should have been out by now. Yo, I might just cut the video right here. I don't know. This stuff's getting crazy. I'll let you know. I'm gonna pause it. But yeah, I'll let you guys know what happened so far. Okay, none really bad happened so far. So I thought I paused it, so sorry. Yeah, I paused it. It's been 20 minutes right now, so yeah, I'm just gonna cut the video here. So yeah, guys, please, if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys later.